Hey, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Street View on an Android phone on Google Maps. So you open up Google Maps. You can either zoom in by pinching out like this, and you'll see if you get close to an area. Let's see if I keep zooming in on something. There, the International Union of Railways. You'll see a little square in the bottom corner. You can click on that picture, and that will give you Street View. And stick around till the end of this video. I'm going to show you a cool interactive feature you can do with Street View right here on your Android phone. So that's one way to find a location. Another way is you can drop a pin in something if you want to do Street View not at a certain landmark that's already on the map. Like we're right by the Eiffel Tower, but I want to do Street View just a little bit to the side of that to see what it looks like. So I'll hold my thumb down right on the map and I'll drop a pin. It's got that red icon on there. And then you'll see the Street View pop up right there in the corner. So you can scroll around. I can see the Eiffel Tower there with my finger. So this is the little bonus tip I wanted to show you, which is kind of fun itself. So if you click on the three dots up top, you can click Tilt to Look. And now this way you don't have to use your other hand. You can just move your phone around like this. And as you can you can look up at the Eiffel Tower. You can do a full rotation and look around, see what's on the other side. And it's kind of a fun interactive experience there you can do right on your phone on Google Maps with Street View. I hope this video was helpful for you. Give us a like if you liked the video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.